We've got this mirror. It's really cool. We've got another beautiful apartment. We've got this sanitizer, and we've got this tool you can use for hanging your clothes. Let's see what's in this small box. We've got this one you can use for cleaning your glasses. Let's see what's in this plastic bag. We've got this cutting board, and we've got this small trash bin. It's really cool. We've got another juicer. It's really cool. We've got this one you can use for the sink. It's really helpful. We've got this oil brush and this frying pan. We've got this electric pot, and we've got this cooker again. This is a smart washing machine, and this is a small towel. We've got this small box you can use for tissues. She's making her bed. We've got this tent, and we've got these items you can use for your toothbrushes. We've got these wipes, and we've got this small trash bin. It's really cool. We've got this small mop you can use for cleaning mirrors. You can also use it for windows. We've got this beautiful mat, and we've got this hair dryer. We've got this brush you can use for cleaning your toilet, and we've got these items you can use for it. We've got this small box. It's really cool. We've got another mat, and we've got this shelf where you can put your stuff. Here is another beautiful apartment. We've got this smart TV, and we've got this small trash bin. It's pretty cool. We have this mop you can use for mopping the floor. It's really cool. We've got this cleaner you can use for carpets. We've got this small basket you can use for laundry. This is a small folding washing machine. You can use it to dry up your clothes. It's really helpful. We've got this electric tool you can use for killing insects. This is a small box where you can put cutlery. We've got these small mops, and we've got this one where you can put these small dispensers. Let's see what's in this kitchen. We've got this cooker again you can use for cakes. We've got this small box you can use for cleaning your glasses. It's really cool. We have this box you can use for storing cereals, and we've got another juicer. We've got this pot. We've got this one you can use for storing rice. We have this electric tool again you can use for killing insects. Let's see what's in this bathroom. We have this brush again you can use for cleaning your toilet. It's really cool. So that's all we have in this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.